Hello everyone, welcome back to Build and Repair and Restore. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, make sure you give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also join the channel for exclusive content.
Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm back on site. Today I'm on my own doing some extra work on a Saturday. I'm going to attempt to try and get some windows in today. So fingers crossed I can get a couple of windows in today. I think it should be quite easy. But yeah, let's have a go. I'm going to start with the utility room first. I've got light on here now as well. So hooray, we can light up the place and see what it looks like. So I'm going to go in the utility now, show you the first window I'm going to take out and what window I'm going to be putting in. Right, so this is the room that I did yesterday. This was the concrete wall that I did, still drying out, but it's nice and solid. This is the window that I'm going to be removing. This is an ancient window. As you can see, the handle's broken and all that, so it's all coming out. This window's got somewhere, so it's got screws here, some screws in there amongst all the dust and crap and all that, and there. So I'm going to take this window out first, and if I've got my measurements right, the new window should fit. I did take the measurements, I think, from the outside, which is slightly larger than this inside opening, so fingers crossed it should fit. But let's have a look at the window that's going in there now. So I believe it's this window here, which is 36 inches by 25.5 inches. It's a sash window, as you can see. Horizontal wide sash window with mosquito on it. So yeah, first things first, try and get the old window out. First screw out, nice and easy. Alright guys, so that's window number 1 done. Locked. Open. Slide up. Job done, 1 down, 11 to go. Alright guys, on to the second window. I've managed to take this window out already, you can see. So it's this old broken one here, it's smashed up. I've taken it out. Cleaned up around the edge as well already, and I had to take some of this down. Ready to go. These are the 2 biggest windows in the house. There's one here, and there's the other one over there, which goes there, and then there's also one other smaller one which goes there. So let's see if this one will fit. Once this is all dry, we can just skim it with some filler anyway. Smooth it down nicely. Hi everyone, so I'm done for the day. Nice little progress today on my own, doing a few little bits and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I've done. Happy with what I've managed to do today. At least I understand how these windows fit, where I can put the fixings and so on. So I should fly through the other ones, but I'm going to show you guys what I've done so far. So obviously you guys saw me do this window. This is the first one to do. It's fit nicely. You can see how it's, as I was saying before, it's slightly sunk down. This is sort of a raised lip, So all we've got to do is seal around the window there, and we should good to go. Nice fit. Look at the top as well. You can see we've got a nice fit around the window. So that's done. One. I also did this large window. This is the biggest window in the house, one of the biggest ones. I've done this one, and yeah, just show you that. I think that's open. So again, just put it up. Or is that lock? Sorry, I think that side's open on that side. There we go. So yeah, it just slides up like that, and that's as wide as the window's open. And then you basically just hold it here, slide it down, and then lock the latches here. Job done. I also went around and did some fine filling with some cement of these larger holes. You can see I filled these larger holes up. I've gone around and done loads. There's loads on this wall. I don't know why there was so many holes and so many nails everywhere. But yeah, I've done all that. I started doing some more work around the door frames. You remember I did this bit here, but I've gone over with some fine sort of cement, and I've just been rubbing that down. So just letting that set for a little bit, and I'll rub that again. And then when that's dry, when I come back, I'll do the underside. So I've got to kind of do it in stages. And I was just basically, filling up like little gaps like this. Gaps like this where the cement was broken off. Smoothing them down. Gaps like on the sides of the window here, which I've done all the way down there. And yeah, just building it up. So yeah, nearly there with all the plastering bits. So that's really it for today, guys. I'm gonna try and enjoy the rest of my weekend. Hope you guys have a good weekend yourselves, and probably see you back on Monday. So take care. See you soon.